To start the machining process, in Start menu, Machining, go to the Advanced Machining Workbench. Good. Complete the job and then a new dialog box. You can see this CSYS. Now in Design Tree, show the stock body, then click on this point in dialog box, and, in Graphic Window, click and select this corner point on stock body to complete the selection process. If necessary, hide the stock body. Now in Geometry tab, find and click on bottom face. OK. And then in Graphic Window, select the bottom face of pocketing on body, and in Axial tab, it's here. Keep the mode to number of level, and change it to 10. Again check all these parameters and, in green color on the Graphic Window, check it out and then you can see and check the toolpath animation. Try to do it and see the animation. OK. Increase its value, and in Tool tab, if necessary change its dimensions, and check it out completely. Good. In Radial tab, maximum distance between pass. Here, go to the Advanced Machining Workbench. Good. First in Design Tree, check the main 3D body. Also check the stock body. Try to do it and complete the job. Now in Design Tree, double-click on Part Operation. Now in Dialog Box, change the toolpath style to zigzag, and then in Radial tab, step over. Keep the 50% of tool diameter, and then check the parameters on Axial tab, and complete the job. Now in Tool tab, deactivate the Ball and Tool checkbox, and change the fillet radius of the bottom of tool. Complete the job and if necessary, increase the length of tool, change its dimensions and finish the process. Back again and now define the guiding elements. Click and then in Graphic Window, here, select all the top edges of body. Select bottom. Do it in Graphic Window and finish the job. Back again and then select Drive. Enter to the Sketch Workbench, and then make a new center rectangle, and its dimensions is 90 millimeters. OK. Try to do it and complete the job and then check it out the center rectangle in graphic window. Do it and finish the process and exit back again to dialog box. Prism situation, change the length to 3 millimeters. Its direction into the bottom side. If necessary, click reverse direction and OK the command. Now check the result body in graphic window. So strong and useful command. Here, find and run the internal feature command. Make a new sketch and then enter to the sketch workbench. Now make a simple corner rectangle. Try to do it and complete the job. Check it out and no need to make any constraint and dimensions. And exit again in dialog box. Length is 10 millimeters, and then define the direction and OK the command. Again show the body 1, and again in toolbar, run the cavity extraction. And in dialog box, again select the body 1, and OK the command. It's so easy. Complete the cavity extraction and then change its color. Right-click in Design Tree and Properties. Try to do it and change its color to green. Now in Design Tree, right-click on Core Body and select the DME, and in the list, find your desired mold. You can see the dimensions of molds in the list. You can create a custom mold for your process. Also you can use the catalog, its icon here, but first, check it out the mold parameters in graphic window, clamping plate, core and cavity support plates. Now in this step add the leader pins into the mold. Let's start. Now in this step create the ejector pins, and then cut them by the desired plane. OK, let's start. In this step create the leader bushing. Let's start. In this step add the sprue bushing, and then cut it by desired plane. Let's start.